I mean, you know how much you need to grind and grind to get the dice rolls, guys. But not anymore. What up, YouTube? I have the free money and free dice rolls for Monopoly Go. That will blow your mind away, and you can just keep on playing Monopoly Go without any pauses, without grinding, without spending, and you will be the master of it, guys. So this won't take too long, 3 or 4 minutes at top, and it will all be worth it. So stick till the end and see how we can get the free dice rolls and free money in Monopoly Go. Let's see if we will get rich in Monopoly Go with the free dice rolls and free money. And just enjoy playing the game. I mean, you know how much you need to grind and grind to get the dice rolls, guys. But not anymore. It is simple like that. You can see it just for your very own eyes that the free dice rolls and free money will be there in Monopoly Go on your account. Not this way. My way that I will show you right now, guys. Basically, you will need just to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That are all the requirements. Now, open up any browser and search for monopolygo.org. On monopolygo.org, you can see this is a very beautiful looking website. We can select whether we want the dice rolls or money, but why not go for both, and why not go with the maximum amounts, because you can from now on, guys. Whenever you want, feel free to visit this site and add those resources. Then enter your username, select the platform or that mobile device that you're on, of course. Both iOS and Android devices are covered, whether the new version or an older version, doesn't matter. What matters is that you will get rich on Monopoly Go just like that, by clicking on your phone and not grinding and even spending. So now you can see that not even a minute has passed. We have completed all the steps, and it leads us directly to the last step of this whole process, which is just so simple. You will have two options. The first option will be to open up a questionnaire, and that will be a faster way. So when opening up a questionnaire, you will need to complete 2 in total. Just make sure to follow up those questions and answer them, and that is how you complete it. Or you will have an option to go ahead and open up a game or an app from this list. You will be redirected to the official App Store, Google Play Store. After that, you will just need to make sure to read what it says from you in the description. So, Solitaire Stash will need from you to install it and open it up. My Perina needs a registration only. The AutoPaste app needs a 3-day free trial to be started, or Zap VPN to install and open it up. Choose between one of those two, guys, complete in that way, and enjoy playing Monopoly Go with the free dice rolls and free money. Leave a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you have further questions. I will be there for you. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Peace.